do, do. All right, let me look at this. We might be able to hold through this. I don't know. If it wants to collect more orders down below. But this is my runner trade, though. It was supposed to run in the opposite direction. 82-point drop. It's crazy. All night we've been in a basically like 100-point range almost. And you get the news, you get this 82-point candle drop. Now looks like maybe trying to bounce back. I don't know. I'm not buying it right here though. I'm not buying that it wants to go back just yet. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, well, we'll see. Is that just the algo's reaction? Yeah, I actually got out. These are all my other trades throughout the night. And this is literally just my last contract that I had from down here. This is at 8:40 p.m. last night, so yeah. And after that, after it hit this TP here around 11, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go lay down. Well, I was in the bed before that. And then I was kind of just watching and price just moving in this range here, back and forth, not breaking out on either side until now with this news. Let me look for lower possibilities. I mean, there's always 100 that I could drop down. I'm thinking 100 level, sub 100, like maybe 90, has some support from yesterday's pre-market. It actually bounced there and just went crazy. So yeah, let's see. Odds are we probably do get more push to the downside. Hmm. Yeah. we'll just do that because I want to lock in something. But yeah, I had the opportunity to get out up here, or up here, I should say. But I was just like, nah, just let it play out. We'll let it play out. Let's see this. This 90 area that I could test again. And then the next area below that. So it's like a 20-point stop almost. But yeah, let's look for levels below potential. So we have that 90 area where it bounced yesterday in the pre-market. And the next one is like the low 29,000 for potential demand. I think I'm just gonna, I kind of want to just close this and wait. Just let it get stopped. That's fine. Usually I gotta keep like a 30, 35 point trailing stop and still get stopped out. But it's all good here. Oh, let's see. Let's add. Let's throw the fibs on here. Get high. Get low. Okay, so it's bounced up to 75%. And we got work. That was yesterday. Can we get a turnaround in the golden pocket? Bounce back to 618. Yeah, so I got like a 20-point trailing stop. It's kind of like meh. This has been running literally all night. Well, since like 8:40. This is my last contract. I was in like 4 contracts. Like I said, I could have got out somewhere up at the top, but I was like, oh, let me see if it'll push higher. It's a runner. We let runners run. And if not, it is what it is. We'll look for another opportunity today. See if we can make some money in New York session. Now, New York session's not really my best. I find I trade better actually in the Asia session. Things are slower. Things are slower. It's calmed down. I don't know. At least lately, I just find myself trading better in Asia. And we're stopped.
Stop filled.
All right, cool. Let's see. We're stopped out. Let's see how much lower this thing can go. What's up, Moxie? Yeah, this is another refund or another funding of the account with 250. I feel like I don't know. I just got lucky this week. Let me see. Let me update everything. Wait, no. Cancel. I gotta do a custom date. Custom range. 21st is when I started. Today's the 26th. Yeah. Okay, so that's saved in there. Let me throw it in this journal. Okay, yeah. So this is what we're looking like on the trade journal. Yeah. Well, September is like historically bearish. We flipped bearish that one week where I was like in denial and I ended up blowing my account trying to catch longs. The market clearly was just going down, trying to catch that falling knife. Um, but yeah, this is what we're looking like for. I started the funds dropped or the funds hit last Friday. That's when I started. I basically broke even off of the one trade that I took. Um, and then yeah, I just been grinding since then. I want to actually see if I can catch something in New York. I mean, I don't need to. Could just chill today. And the smarter thing would have been to get out at the 270, 280 range and then should have shorted this news. Because I figured they were gonna wait until news to make a move because this mess has just been going back and forth all night. Literally all night. With the highs getting to like around 280 and then it'll drop. And I should have known on this last push, they usually pump like right before news and then dump. So yeah, we'll see. This was a string of trades. Wait, what does it say? Performance today. $73. Oh yeah, cause I guess cause I started yesterday, so it made 732 yesterday. Yeah, that kind of goes with that. Today, $73. I have not traded nanos. I tried. They don't even have it up on here on Tradeovate. They had it on the day of release, but they Ninja Trader, Tradeovate, I guess they took it down for some reason. I don't know what their excuse was, but I didn't think it was a great launch, to be honest. It was kind of a failed launch, in my opinion. Um, so my broker, Tradeovate, Ninja Trader, Kraken, really is Kraken because they own it all, but they don't have it anymore. They had it, like I said, initial day of release. They had it up here. I pulled it up. It was like no volume, weak looking candles, and I was like, yeah, all right, back to micros it is. So yeah, I was gonna implement the nanos into like a strategy, maybe do like one or two micros and then a few nano contracts, but until they start getting more volume, not touching them. I'll just stick with what I'm doing here till they get volume. Yeah, yeah, it was like I said, it was like a failed launch to me. Like I saw different ads on like X and stuff, but I've seen more ads for the stock futures, and that was a failure too. Like this is Nvidia's 30-minute chart on the stock futures. And I'm like looking at this, I'm like, what is this? How can you trade this? You can't really. I mean, I guess you could be brave enough to. Oh no, I'm saying like no, when I first had 250, I was only doing one micro, and I would scale in um I would scale in two contracts if it was like a super winner, then yeah, I'd add to it, but yeah, starting off, yeah, one contract because even one can break you. But um yeah, I didn't do two contracts off rip. I had to grow the account a little bit before I started going to two. Yeah. Yeah, Alfred, we gotta wait for the volume, man. I don't know. Like I said, they just the CME they failed on that part. And I mean I've seen a few like influencers mention them and talk about it, but I think it was enough. And then I guess these prop firms, I don't know how they've been on the topic. I would think they wouldn't want people trading nanos because they could just go and fund their own accounts. So, but I don't know. Yeah. Oh, my bad. I got this broken chart over here on the left side. This is the stock futures for Nvidia. 30-minute chart, by the way. It's like, what are we doing here? Let's look at the hourly. Hourly is a little better, but it's still ugly. Still ugly. So I guess what? Are they gonna short Nvidia all day today until earnings? I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I have these up here as examples, and this is the blank nano. In Q. Yeah, they don't even populate it anymore in here. But when they did, I did have the chart up. I know, Alfred, that would be nice. Trade Nvidia futures on Nvidia's earnings. I don't know, maybe Nvidia puts the market on its back again and carries the market to new, well, I don't want to say new highs, but maybe, yeah, I don't know. Maybe we get close to 30K again over the next few days because of it. We'll see. But yeah, right now it's just the waiting game, really. Just gotta wait for a good setup. So since I'm kind of looking at this, and I suspect, I don't know, I suspect we go lower, but because we had that push. So yesterday, last night, push, the bottom was set, put in at 8:30 on this 5-minute chart. The bottom was put in at 8:30, and then we started getting a super push. Let's measure that move. So say from that candle all the way basically to like 280. Yeah. So we push like 170-ish, 75 points from the bottom. But maybe we open up, get a push, and then maybe a drop. So I'd probably look out for that 280, 300 area. And I'm trying to think, if we do go lower, where do I want to get in at? Or maybe I get a short opportunity somewhere. I definitely don't want to short near here. Realizing now, I feel like I should have, on that last runner contract, I should have got out at this peak here at like 278 and then waited for the news. We had the run up before the news release, and then this candle is the news release. And I should have shorted this area. That would have been ideal. But that short right there. So if we do push up New York Open, I'm gonna I'm gonna watch for this area here. 300 to like 280. Pay attention to that area, see what happens. Um, I mean, but I was looking to the left of the charts, and okay, we first established that. I mean, there was already negative delta from yesterday, or no, Monday. Was this Monday? Yeah, negative. No, that was, yeah, that was yesterday. All right, so negative delta was already established in the 300s. Then we get yesterday's open, push into the 300, and dump. So if you want to count all the times we've rejected from this area, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I guess if you count the news, 6. That's a lot. That's a lot of rejection from there. So you would think they're ready to break out and break through that, but I don't know. It doesn't look like we're going higher unless something happens. Unless we get a catalyst to break out. Yeah. Right now, we just wait. I mean, maybe I can go into MES. I don't know. If I don't want to be as risky, switch over to MES. All right, we just had all that good 7:30 news. Let's see if we got anything else. We got Atlanta Fed GDP at 9. I think that's it. Oil stuff. 2-year note auction at 12. 5-year note at 12. And yeah, that's it. Maybe we could switch to. Now let's look at the 60K chart. Yeah, 60K chart is a great indicator for which direction the market. This looks bearish to me. I could see us dropping to like, yeah, I could see us dropping down here 29.20. We got down here to 28,950. But could this be the bottom? Could it be putting in the bottom right now? Preparing for another move up. I mean, 60K chart is pointing to no, this thing is going to go down before we go back up. If we're just looking at, so let's see, a little trend line here. Trend line. Or maybe I could trade regular E-mini ES. It's only 500 bucks a contract. Yeah, let's see. All right, so 60K chart suggests we go lower. Um, why is that important? Every one of these candles, 60,000 transactions. 60,000 transactions. So that's kind of telling if price is trending in a direction based on price action, and obviously we see it's going in a downtrend. Now this could, I mean, we could get a push up, like I said, to maybe retest this high area, this zone, and then reject again and get like the real dump. Maybe that scenario could play out, or we could just continue going lower from here. So it's hard to know in real time what the market's going to do, but I'll watch ES closely. And then shorting is just so stressful. It's way more stressful than just going long. Even in a bear market, we um, still get decent like pullbacks, long pullbacks. So that's where the whole this could pop back up theory comes into play in that 280 to 300 zone, and then maybe they dump it again. Like I said, maybe this thing keeps pushing down. Maybe we can get right here. There's demand down here, or it can break that demand and go lower. Maybe test this low here, or continue lower. I think the market has definitely shifted from, you know, ultra bullish to now people are kind of cautious and more risk off. We know the NASDAQ is risk on, a lot of risk on assets. So hmm. Well, we're almost at the open. We got 9 minutes, less than 10 minutes, 8 minutes now. Yeah. Let's just wait, see what happens. Um, this is what happens when I feel like, oh, I got enough margin to cover a mini contract. I get the itch, and this is how accounts get blown up. I get the itch to trade a E mini. And I'm like, dog, why would you do that? You're breaking away from everything you just talked about. Let's see, do I got an ES chart? MES. I don't know what gold is doing on my charts, and I don't even look at that anymore. Gold is, I don't know. Me and gold fell out. I thought we were cool, but we ain't cool anymore. And it's sad because you can make so much money in gold, but this mess is, yeah. Let's look at ES. So we're at 680. Could probably, yeah, I'm really not great at trading ES either. That's a good point. I'm really not great at trading ES because it's not like NQ. You have to be, you kind of have to be perfect on ES. Your entries have to be immaculate on ES to catch the full, move. If you're lucky enough to get 10, 12 points on ES. Yeah, I'll stick with M and Q. I don't know why I'd be acting like I can't make any money in M and Q, but I've done this again thus far. Still haven't taken any profits. I should at least, yeah, we'll see. Depending on how well it goes today, I'm probably gonna take out. I don't know. I'll take out like maybe 500. At least get my money back from the last two, from this funding and then the last one that I blew. Get my money back. But today has to go great though. It says I'm up 457. Make sure I don't have anything, any orders hanging out anywhere. All right. All right, we are almost at the open. Got about 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. All right, we are open. Oh no, the pump and dump.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
What's up?
I made a mistake. That's what's up this morning. Made a mistake.
What happened?
Man, so you know how I trade with 7 micro ES contracts, right?
Yeah.
Well, this morning I traded with 7 mini contracts, and
Damn.
you already know what happened. You already know what happened after that.
Damn. 7 minis.
Actually, it wasn't 7. I apologize. It was actually 14.
14 minis.
14 minis. I thought I was on the MES chart. I was on the ES chart. And of course, I was wrong with 14 minis. Like, what the fuck, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that accounts. I got, yeah, I'm down like $3,900, $3,800 right now. So that's fun.
On the eval or
Yeah, on the eval, yeah.
okay. I mean that sucks, but as long as it ain't like a live
Damn.
account, that would be horrible.
Yeah, I would cry. I'd be like, dang, what did I?
I'm
Why would
telling
I do
you,
something like this to myself?
when I told you I accidentally put on a limit order on the E mini NQ,
Mhm.
I was like, yo,
Shit. Shit. Shit.
dang
Shit. Shit.
man.
Shit. Shit. Ah, shit. Ah, damn it. Oh man. Damn it.
Dang. All
I
right.
could have went, dude. I was gonna go long there. At I was thinking about going long at 76, 75.
Yeah.
But I was like, there's no way that they buy this thing. Damn.
Well, yeah, I was just talking about the different scenarios that could potentially happen. We pump up, possibly reject this area again for a bigger dump. I don't think it's gonna break out. I mean, we
No.
might get put on a new high for the day, but I don't think it's gonna like go crazy. I don't know.
It actually could just dump here. I mean, honestly,
Yeah.
could dump here.
Yeah. But I'm gonna wait until I get a better. I'm not gonna try to short this right here, right now, because I'm not that brave.
I'm brave, but not that brave. Yeah. Yeah, I'm already short, so that one's short. Damn, I could have caught me an easy winner on that. Damn, dude. Damn. Yeah.
IB high.
Well,
281. Trying to look at
so I guess I have to paper trade this morning because I don't have any more accounts. So I guess I have to paper trade. I can't believe that, dude. $3,800 gone just like that. I spent $200 on that account.
Dang. I mean, there's dark pool. It's dark pool volume, right? Yeah, dark pool volume at the 710.
Well, right now it's hitting a call wall 4. It's hitting a call wall right now at 280. So we'll see. I'm pretty sure though, if it breaks out of this, then the next level will be 365. But it looks like that call wall is holding right now at 280.
Yeah. 710. 716 call. Damn, 716? Expiring today? You don't really mean that. Spot price was 709. Yeah, I mean, I want to short. I just don't trust shorts. I don't like them. I don't like them at all.
Yeah.
I really don't. And then I don't want to short into a freaking strong move like that, even though it's probably gonna, more than likely it'll work, but I don't like it.
Yeah.
I don't like it. And I was just talking about this. Look what happened.
Of course, it stopped me out. It looks like it's about to keep going down. Of course. I don't know how. I really don't know, man. I don't know how this market is so good at that. It stops me out to the T, and I have a really big stop, so it's like, dude, what is it, Bogdanov? What is it? It literally just stopped me out just here right now. Shit. Okay. Well.
Yeah, the 5 minute and the 15 are disconnected from each other, so I don't know.
Shit, do I go long here or?
It's your account. No. I honestly don't know right here, so I need more
Information.
more data.
Okay, I went long. This thing ain't going short, man. This thing's not going short. I'm gonna try to take this thing down short, but they're not gonna be successful.
I don't know. like, I'm giving you opportunity. Short me, short me. Do it. Do it. You know you want to. No. I'd rather wait for the long. You missed the long. Short me.
Yep, that's that demon. Okay. My long is working out pretty good so far. I just needed to push up a little bit more. I don't need Trump to tweet nothing. We should be good.
I don't like it. I don't like it. And they know I don't like it. They stay tempting me.
Shorted. Shorted. Shorted.
Do it.
Come on, baby. Just a few more points. Come on,
Do
baby.
it.
You can do this.
Execute order 66. Do it.
Come on, baby.
You know what? Actually, let's do it. But not right here. We gotta get higher first.
Damn, you gonna short it for real, bro?
Yeah. I'll short 300. 300. Yeah. 310.
Well, if you're gonna short that level, man. Short that call wall. That call wall is literally at 365. So it could go all the way up there. 365.
Let's look at BBS.
Come on, ES. Don't falter right here. Don't falter.
Do it. Do it. No, you
Oh my
sure.
god, dude. ES. Don't falter. Keep pushing. It went back up to that
All right, the gamma levels are in on BBS. We got it pushed past the 710 gamma and went to 711 and rejected 711.
I hate the fact that it got so close and then it decided to do all this BS. Come on, ES.
Oh, you're long, right?
Yeah, I'm long. I almost got filled and then started doing this BS. Come on.
Do it. Do it. Now I'm just like, yo, I could have kept my position on. I thought the news would have went in the other direction.
Mm-hmm.
Then
We had news this morning?
Yeah, it's 7:30.
No wonder why I got stopped out like that.
All the I think it was all the PCE stuff and all that rigmarole.
Yes, I don't like the fact that you're doing this BS right now. It literally got about a couple ticks away from my target and started doing this BS. Just run through it, please. Run through it. Dude, if Trump better not say nothing.
Better be quiet.
Hold on, give me a second.
Hmm. Still to the upside. Hourly candle's good.
There we go, baby. There we go. Target filled, baby.
Hey, good stuff.
Oh.
Nice. Congrats.
Should I be a dick about a tick here? Nah, I'm gonna lock up. I'm locking up, man. I'm gonna lock up. I'm locking up. All right. Target field, baby. All right.
Dang, that's wild. Ah.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Ah. I could have stayed in it. No. Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, I haven't gotten the signal yet. So the bat signal has not formed yet.
Damn, I should have stayed in my damn long, dude. Like, what the hell, bro? I mean, I made money this morning. I shouldn't complain like that. I made money this morning, but I could have made more. All right, so let's look for our next opportunity here on the ES. Huh.
More.
So, are you short right now, or are you in? Oh, okay, I don't see. Yeah, I don't see you in nothing.
I'm not in anything, my boy. I'm chilling.
Well, all right. So yeah, I'm about to make $800 on 7 freaking contracts, dude, or 9. Well, 9 contracts. 9 contracts. We'll see. We'll probably get a. We'll probably see the market break above. Well, it already did it on the Nasdaq, but like I said, just pay attention. There's a call wall sitting at 365. 365. But honestly, price has to break above 280 first. I mean, we've broken above it, but we have to break and we have to hold above it. So it might pull back to about 240, 245-ish. And then the bulls might try again, but if they fail, we should see the move down. but it is the NASDAQ, so.
That's correct.
When New York opens, all we trade is NASDAQ, 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 NASDAQ. When New York opens, all we trade is NASDAQ. Okay, that's how I should use it, like that, honestly. Okay. We could see a move down here because it looks like it double topped at those highs on the ES. So if it doesn't hold this pullback, I mean, it doesn't hold the pullback. All right, so it's 87. Mm-hmm. Oh, did I make money this morning? Oh, no, I didn't. Trader 5 intercepted. All right. Okay, so I'm willing to go long to add to my ES position if price comes back to 87 and bounce. I'm willing to add to the position there. But like I said, that looks like a double top, but at the same time, I was going to clean. I was going to make money on NASDAQ until I got stopped out. 86.75. Let me see what it does here, because this thing could just
Order filled.
could fail and go down, but I don't think so. Well, right, so that's what, 87, 86, 84, 75.
Stop filled.
It's gonna probably bounce too. All right, I'm gonna go long at 87.25 on the ES. Basically my break even. We'll see. Okay. Okay. Hey, what's up, investor team? I guess if ES pops back up and breaks above those highs, I'm gonna pull that order. Mm. I mean, you can do it. I mean, you just gotta grow this. You gotta grow it.
Order filled.
Shit. Okay, yes. The one time I need you to pull back and do right by me, you don't. Okay. All right. So the orb is officially formed on the ES. Let's look at that. Yeah, I mean, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna reject right there. Okay, that's definitely gonna reject.
What's that? PTSD. Trade PTSD.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Hmm.
Stop what you're doing. What was that? Did I leave a limit on the book?
Order filled. Yeah, that's no bueno. No bueno whatsoever. What's up, Mohammed? You know what, Mohammed? I want to thank you. I do want to thank you, man, for opening my eyes to the realities of this market. I want to thank you for that. Mm. Now I see the market through a new lens. So, I've read that book that you recommended, and I'm also listening to what's it called? Option pricing and volatility or something like that. And now I understand why the market is reacting at certain levels, and I understand now that the market is moved by the market maker or the dealer hedging and understanding the different environments, like if we're in a positive environment, a negative environment. I mean, we was using gamma on black box stocks, but I didn't understand what it was used for. Honestly, I was just using them as levels. But now I understand it now. I have an understanding of it now. And so now, when I look at certain levels, I look for the reaction. And I know that dealers have to, like, if it gets to a certain level, they have to hedge and they have to sell shares, which makes like, if it's going up and they have to sell shares, obviously the market will go down as a result of that. Areas where the market won't allow price to go above, and markets where it won't allow price to go below. And that's why we see these They're not even what short squeezes, they're more like gamma squeezes, delta squeezes, wherever you want, whatever terminology you want to use. So yeah, I'm doing my homework on it. I have the basic understanding to at least take good trades and know where the to get it and get out at least. You know, if the ES wasn't being so nasty, I would have held on to this long. And of course, I just realized that yeah, it missed my target at 87.25. It missed me, and I would have got my target filled. Okay. Well, I guess I just have to look for the next opportunity. Probably look for a short as price goes into that level right there. Probably look for a short. Dun, 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 oh, how long would I stay today? So I usually run until about 10:30. 10:30 Central Time. And yeah, no problem. All right, so it looks like I'm going to probably get a profit target here. Going to get a profit target, and actually, this is probably where I'll go short. We'll see what happens here. We'll see. I'll go short there, maybe. Yeah, I mean, yeah, yeah, that's the result of that for sure. 709. Wink, wink. Okay. 404,
Order filled.
704.50. Okay. All right, we'll see. All right, so let's see if we can get a profit target here at 704. Probably do 704.25. Oh yeah, just 704 even. Get a profit target right there. He says, "Do not short. These options are still open." All right, Mohammed. Anyway, so the expected move today on is plus or minus. Let me look at this real quick. Do you want to hear the expected move for the Nasdaq,
Sure.
or you want to be surprised?
What's the expected move?
All right, let me look at. I got the ES already up. So the expected move on the ES today is I range from 715 and 650. That's the expected move for the ES. The expected move for the NASDAQ. You already know that's gonna be crazy. Oh wow. That's interesting. So the expected move on the NASDAQ is actually 485 and 910 to the downside. So 485 is the expected high, but that doesn't mean that it won't go above it. It's just that's just the expected move. And the biggest gamma level right now, well, yeah, it already showed you at 365. 365 is the biggest gamma level. So the market could be the market could pin at 365. It could try to go above it and then fail back below it. We don't have the biggest level to the downside, which I highly doubt that we see. We could see it, but I highly doubt it. Is 115 on the Nasdaq. That's the biggest level to the downside, and 200 is the crossroads between going from a positive to neutral environment to a negative environment. So. Yeah. I gotta remember that. I remember that. 446. Alfred, if you want to go live, I just saw your your message. If you want to go live, have a 10K day. Have a 10K day.
Remember when was that Take Profit stopped me at 10K and I was like, yo, what?
Yeah.
Like, no, I got more money to make. What y'all doing?
You thought you blew the account.
Yeah, I was like, wait, whoa, what? Like, hey, yo, what are y'all doing?
But yeah, Alfred, they'll definitely move you to live. You make 10K in one day. I think that's what these prop firms are really looking for. They don't care if you make they don't care if you get these $1,000, $2,000 payouts. I mean, it really doesn't. If they're making billions of dollars in revenue, $2,000 ain't gonna hurt that. But if you show that you can make 10K a day, yeah, yeah, no payout, straight to live.
No payout, straight to
No payout, straight to live. We've been monitoring your account and we're calling you up to live. We can't have traders like you. But yeah, I mean, shit. Like I said, I had my account over about 7 months before I went on this losing streak and blew it, and I've taken about like 6 or 7 payouts from it, and Not once was I called to lie. Now I didn't even get an email saying that we're monitoring you. And I took multiple payouts from that account. But I think the first time, if I would have made like 10K, they'd be like, yeah, okay. Let's get you on over to live.
Let's move you on over, buddy. Yeah, that was funny. I'm like, how did I? Because every time you hear that ding, it's like, whoa, hold on, what? What just happened? How did I blow up? I'm like, oh, they locked me out. Oh, 10K is the most you can make in a day?
I'm surprised they didn't. Did they send you to live after that?
Yeah, they did. They reached out and was like, well, let us know if you want to take a payout from what you made. Let us know. Yes, I'm taking a payout. What kind of question is that?
No, I want to put all 10K in it and risk all of that. That's what I want to do.
What's wrong with y'all, man?
Yeah, Alfred, I think because this is all automated, they're not really monitoring you. It's a computer that's looking for kind of like the same technology that they use to what's the word I'm looking for? Uh, to qualify applicants. Like if you're, let's just say that you're applying for a job and they use an algo that goes to everybody's resume and they look for certain criteria to qualify you before it doesn't even reach a person. It's just qualified through an automated system. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. You make a 5K, 10K day, you'll get put on their radar. Somebody look at you, it's like, hold up, this guy has about 20, 30K in his account. He can take a payout. Send him to live. What should I do here? What should I do? What should I do? Hey, what's up, man, Moxie? This is a um. So well, let me just show you. This is an indicator that comes along with this web application called Tanuki Trades.
Tanuki.
It's called Tanuki Trades, and this shows the gamma levels for options that the market maker or dealers have to protect or hedge against to stay delta neutral. The dealer makes their money by staying delta neutral, meaning that they're not looking for direction. They kind of want I guess they make money off the spreads, I believe. But what this indicator is showing is these are the areas where we have call walls, put walls. This blue area is a neutral zone, so this is where I'm assuming the dealer or the market maker wants to stay within, where they can stay just neutral and just make money from the spread. But if it moves into a positive environment, if price comes to these levels, the dealer is going to look to hedge, meaning that they're going to short against the pop. And if it goes lower, then the market is going to hedge and they're going to buy, and then we're going to see the market move higher. And these are what these lines represents. These call walls, put walls are these gamma levels. because gamma is the measurement used to measure the delta, if I'm saying that correctly. But anyway, so these levels are legit.
Order filled.
You can blindly trade from them, but it's not recommended. Having these levels along with structure, you can kind of see that the market, that they were protecting this level right here, this 280 level. Every time price would try to break above it, you can see that they hedged against it and they knocked it back down. We finally got the market to kind of break above that level, and now it's coming back into it. So yeah.
Order filled, baby. Yes, I shorted. Yes, I was early, but I got
Yeah,
the
I like it,
order
Mad
filled.
Moxie. Literally.
I should have been short. Honestly, I should have been short up here. All my positions should have been up there.
She's in her thing, so I'm gonna leave it correct.
Order filled, baby. Bouncing off the 710 gamma though on the Qs.
No, just put it on the plate. The market is pulling back. Should I? 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 And you said that you're traveling. Are you like traveling around the world, or are you just traveling from state to state? If you don't mind me asking. But yeah, I like this platform so far. It's only $170 for 3 months, or $160 for 3 months. So I think that's a good deal.
710 gamma. Bouncing off the 710 gamma.
I guess you really don't. You don't need to understand it, I guess. What we say is what we do.
Order filled.
Oh wow,
baby.
that's wow.
Order filled. Let's see. 710. Need to go sub 17. I do like that you got it on the all on the same chart.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, versus having to look back and forth at like a BBS, for example, like I'm doing. Unfortunately. I think I paid for this for like a year, I think.
You pay for a year or what?
I think. I don't know. I don't remember.
Dude, I couldn't bring myself to pay that for a year. I don't know why. I just couldn't. Just couldn't.
It was like what, 3 something?
I wasn't.
Something like that. I think. I don't know. I don't even remember, to be honest. I could be full of BS. I don't know. I was like,
you know,
all right. Well, what are you about to say?
Oh, nothing. Nothing. Oh, no, I was about to ask Mad Moxie, what has her interested in traveling the world? I'm starting to see a lot of I moved to the Philippines or I moved to Thailand and my life is awesome now videos trying to get me to move, trying to move all the way to Thailand and shit. Like, I'm not moving down there.
Life is awesome. I will say that, well, I don't know about Thailand or Philippines, but being in the Middle East, the market opens up at 4:30 p.m. So you're like, all right,
I'm good.
I'm good. I'm in. Yeah, I'm in there. Like if it was in Dubai or something, I'm like, yeah, all right, I done did what I had to do throughout the day, or it's too hot to do anything during the day, so I'm chilling. Markets open at 4:30. Okay. Let's get to it. All right, all right, all right. This is kind of yes, try.
I saw this unrelated, but I saw this video of certain countries are banning. How should I say this to keep it PG? Let's just say that a lot of travelers, I guess, passport bros, are getting sent back because they're bringing protection in a lot of it, and I think the countries aren't liking that anymore. I mean, it makes sense because foreigners are coming into their country. And providing their women with experiences that maybe men there can't provide, and so obviously all the women are going to wait for the foreigners and not necessarily want to be with the locals. That's what I'm going to assume, because that would make sense of why they're doing it. At least that would make sense to me.
That's
A lot of tourists go to these foreign countries, and that's usually the main reason why they go there. He said it's very evident. Oh, you're West Indian? Hold on. What? Are you talking about Indian Indian, or are you talking about like part of a tribe, like a Native American Indian? That's interesting. I didn't know that about you, Mad Moxie.
Yeah, I'm just over here chilling in my short, waiting for targets to get filled.
Dude, I don't know, man.
Oh, they're not that
Are
far
West
away.
Indian equals Caribbean? Shit, well, I need to get it. Shit, I did not know that either. I did not know that. I did not know what that meant. So that's interesting, though. Why is that term used for that? Because I wouldn't have, that never would have crossed unless I looked it up, or thanks for telling me. I never would have gotten that, or I wouldn't have gotten that. Dude, I don't know, bro. Where are you targeting?
I told you my targets are close. I'm not trying to.
I'm looking at your stream right now.
I'm not trying to catch a huge moves necessarily.
Let's look at this. Well, hold on. 240. Am I? I must be behind. I was like, dude, price is already at 240. You already got the first one filled. Okay.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Target filled, baby. Can we get much lower? So low.
Target filled, baby.
That's why I hate shorting.
All that stress for nothing, for no reason.
Yeah.
Well, that's interesting. I didn't know that. I learned something new today on stream.
Oh,
I saw this very interesting. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, no, I was about to say, don't do me like that. Missed me by a couple ticks.
You know she's gonna do that. You already know she's gonna miss you by a couple of ticks. A couple ticks.
A couple ticks.
Order filled.
Order filled. Target filled, baby.
All
Target
right.
filled.
Well,
let's go.
alrighty, yes. Alrighty, yes. I'm counting on you here. I'm counting on you. So I just went long here at VWAP. I don't need none of the BS.
Long VWAP, bro. VWAP's close
I
to the
went long on VWAP.
50%.
I know. That's why I'm like, I don't need none of the BS here. I just
I'm like, hey, yo, let's target IB low. Come on, you could do it. Let's target IB low. Lower. How much lower do you want? Lower.
lower than what it is now. Super lower.
Lower. He's a
Seriously?
madman. Lower. I want to go into the Delta area, but we probably won't do that because now it's trying to pull back.
No, ES, don't do this. Don't do this, ES. Please. Please,
Well, Sherm,
ES, please,
you know, I hate
don't
to
do
see
this.
us on opposite sides, even though we're in different instruments.
He said what?
I said I hate to see us on opposite sides, even though we're in different instruments
Yeah.
that kind of move together normally.
ES, you know what? You bastard. You know what? Whatever, dude. I went long at VWAP. I did what I was supposed to do, and you're just being nasty for no reason.
Nasty Nas, nasty Nas. What'd you say the expected low was?
I have to look again. Give me a second. Well, whatever, dude. ES, fuck you. You're supposed to go long at VWAP.
All right, let me look at the 60K again, because okay, push the high. Yeah, let's see if we go lower. Lower. Lower.
The expected move for the NASDAQ is actually, I think it was 115, 29, 115. Let me verify. 29, 115. You try to target 115? Or, well, apparently the expected move is now 910. Hold up.
What you mean 910?
Or I'm sorry. I made a mistake. The biggest put wall to the downside is at 115. The expected move is at 28, 910. Okay, ES. Bastard. Damn.
Dang, 28, 910. That's crazy.
Mm.
I'm in my last running contract. And yeah, I effed up on these ones. I should have. I always do that. I don't know. Mistakes were made, but we're good. I should have been short in the 300 area. That 333 kind of caught me off guard. I thought we were going to go to at least 350. I did have a limit up there. I took it off though. We just hit the golden pocket from pre-market fibs.
What the hell is up with that?
IB low. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god.
Oh, I forgot it doesn't stop until 9:30.
You can use the previous days
Yeah, I'll be looking at
IB
that.
high and low until it updates.
Yeah, I'll be looking at that too. Previous day. I don't know why, for some reason I was thinking it cuts off at 9.
No,
At
it's the
my
first
end.
hour.
Hmm. $45, huh?
Well, well. All right, man. Mm.
Everybody had all these calls. They probably got out of their positions, I would imagine.
Mm.
Made their money.
You know what? I should have paid attention to that. I mean, it did fail over this call wall. It did fail and come back down. Mm.
Yeah. Now I'm kind of wishing
Okay.
I held a little bit more. 200. Just bounced off of there, pretty much.
Mm.
Alright, let's see.
Mm. All right, so now we got 1 more minute into the initial balance forms here. I'm trying to look for a saving grace on this position, but I don't think I'm gonna have one. I don't think I have one.
Dang. Dang, I think that was it. I'm gonna exit. Should I?
Exit. You know you want to.
Kind of don't
Nah.
want to.
All right, well, let's see where we are on the chart for the gamma levels to see if it's, well, I would get out. It's your account, but it's bouncing at a put wall right now. I know when you were trying to target that 115 call wall or put wall, it's bouncing at the put wall that's at 160. So just keep that in mind, bro. Ham. Just keep that in mind.
Keep it 100. Well, like I said, this is just a runner contract. Since I don't like shorts, all the other ones got closed early. And of course, I should have held a little bit longer, but it's the NQ. It's the NQ, so I ain't even tripping.
Man, this feels like Trump gonna say something. Stop me out. I'm gonna have to call him a bastard because that's all I can do.
Has the bag been secured? What? The bag has been secured. Trying to get more. How much more do you want, Kobe Bryant?
More. That sucks that he came short one ring. He deserved 2 more, but you know what they did to him. He was still a winning team by himself. They took away his pieces, and he still found a way. That's a real champion right there. That's respectable. Unlike somebody, not gonna talk about them.
And you look at the supporting cast he had, it was like, bro,
Yeah.
I mean, outside of the like 2 decent players he had with him, it was like, bro, what is this supporting cast you got?
On the Lakers too, no less. They got rid of their best piece, Shaq, or their second best piece, Shaq. I guess there was a conflict between him and Kobe, which I doubt. Because I mean, I don't know. I mean, when it comes to a situation where 2 people arguing, the one thing that I like to focus on is once they go their separate ways, whose career flourished and whose career didn't. Someone stayed on the same team. The other person went from team to team and team to team until they finally retired, and now, you know, they're a talk show host. It's nothing bad about that, but you just kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what Trump said. Exactly. He says, "Who's this? Sherm? He should be on my I'm about the tweet list. Go get his contact information. I want him to know exactly when I tweet so he can position himself." He's a winner. I like winners.
Great guy. I like him. He's a winner.
Always winning. He's determined. It's either his profit target or his stop. Nothing in between. A real great guy. A real winner. I do like your Trump impressions though, Smith. That's pretty dead on. All right, man. Yes, you already broke my heart. All right, you can push back up.
Dang, you still fighting? You still
I
in
mean,
at
Shine gets
the...
stopped out yet, man. So I mean,
You
this is still my original position that she just came back on.
So you still long at
Yeah,
VWAP?
she just. Oh, that was another account. I got stopped out of that a long time ago.
Oh, I was about to say. So,
That was
dang.
another account. No, that shit straight stopped me out. No mercy. That was the first time VWAP failed me. I couldn't believe it. On the ES, we should at least get a bounce.
Right.
That shit went straight through VWAP. I was like, well, damn. Damn. My bad.
Can't even get
I wasn't familiar
bounce.
with your game and what you were trying to do, ES. She said, nope, we're not stopping that VWAP today. We're trading right through that shit.
All right. I'm going to get out. Boom.
Order filled.
He's out. He's flipping long.
Master, Smith
Order
thinks he's
filled.
winning. What should we do?
What do we do?
We back at break even, baby. We back at break even. After being up, oh my god, after being up $720, we're back at break even, baby. Just to make 800. Now this $800 target ain't good enough. Ain't good enough. I gotta put the shit higher. But that shit ain't gonna probably work. Yeah, I didn't expect the ES to kind of do that. That honestly, I feel like that came out of. Well, never mind. I should have looked to the left. Actually, it ran the liquidity above that range and then it dropped down. I should have looked to the left. That was my fault. That was my fault. That was my fault. Well, I mean, I made money in my Top Step account this morning. I locked up, even though I could have made more. But I have to remind myself with Top Step, if I make more and I take a payout, that means I have to make more on my next payout, which I don't. So I hate that I have to only make about $450 every day in that account to maintain my payout at that same level. But but I mean, it's a good rule. It forces me not to be greedy. I have a $450 target that I can easily hit in 9 points. I'm not being greedy, so I mean, if I was greedy, I mean, I would have got a mega target though. But you got paid last night. You know, congratulations on that, Alfred.
Let's see. Oh, it bounced beautifully at 708 put. Gamma wall on the cues. Huh. Why wasn't I looking at that? I could have got out right there. And got out at maximum profit.
Damn. You know what? Maybe I should. Maybe I should get like a. Maybe I should, huh? Maybe 1 to 2 micro contracts on the Nasdaq. Maybe I should, huh? Yeah, Top Step has this new rule where it's a low key consistency rule with their payouts. So they're trying to, or what this rule was supposed to prevent was people that made like $10,000, $5,000 on their first day, and they would just go and just make the minimum just to take the payout. So now, if you take as an example, right now, I can only take a like a $1,500 payout every time I request a payout. If I go above that amount, then I have to start making that amount. I can no longer take a $1,500 payout. And I learned that shit the hard way in my other account. There we go, baby. There we go. Anyway, I learned that the hard way. I thought I was about to take a payout, and it was like, no, sir, my guy, you got to make $200 more. Oh, okay. Okay. I got to make $200 more now. Okay. So now I just say, fuck it. I'll just make the $400, take my $1,500 payout, and just be cool. Or not $1,500. $1,100 payout. It's $1,100.
Order filled.
And I'm saying 400, but I'm really mean $450. I make $450 every day on Top Step to get that $1,100 payout.
Oh shoot.
And I was excited too. I'm glad I didn't go tilt too, because I was like, man, I'm about to get this payout, baby.
Damn.
And then the thing didn't pop up on the screen, the payout button. I was like, hold up, what's going on? What's going on? I look at my damn overview page and it's like, nah, you got to make $200 extra, my guy. And you know I full ported that shit. That shit pissed me off. I'm just glad it didn't go the other way, because it could have. It could have. It could have gone the other way. I said, fuck it. Give me my $200. Give me my damn payout. Huh. So if I went long on the NASDAQ with literally just one contract, it's rejecting at that 240. So what is this? This is the put peak. What is that? It says put volume peak, most activity traded at this put strike. So 240 is where I guess we're seeing the most put volume. And then this is the absolute gamma, the second highest total gamma exposure is at 240. And we're seeing the rejection there. So that was basically a clean break and a little retest trade back up to that high where the market kind of broke down. So, but we'll see. I think we can probably get to 280. But I wouldn't be surprised if the thing rejects here, because this is kind of where market broke structure right here. So I wouldn't be surprised. But for the sake of my ES trade, I hope it doesn't do that. $82. Yeah. It rejected at 88, so I was just up. I think I should be good. Okay. ES, don't break my heart. We can push past this.
Get through this. I'm basically like we're almost in like the same position, except I'm on the NASDAQ side of it. That's funny.
Did we just become best friends?
Yes.
Oh no!
What are you doing? What are you doing? Now 44 is
You know, I'm sick of tired of when I back test and I look at certain plays that I'm like, dude, I probably wouldn't have taken it, but man, did that thing just quickly reverse and go in my direction. And then when I take the same type of plays, I get this BS price action. Like, it doesn't know where the hell it wants to go. Yeah, like this morning, that bounce at 76, I did not expect that to do that. I was actually considering taking that trade long, but I was like, man, it just swept the liquidity above that high. Does it really want to go long, or is it trying to fake out short? I was so unsure, so I passed on the trade. And looking back, it goes all the way from 76 all the way up to 702.
Dang.
Yeah, I know. That's exactly what I said. Dang. Okay. All right, we should be good, bro. We should be good. It just made a swing, or the swing indicator just made a low, so we should be good. Just made a low. And then usually, if it does go back down, if it does go back down, then
Order filled.
it just usually just swipes that low and just keeps pushing. We should be good, but I don't think we're out of the water yet, though. Ah, shit, look at my footprint indicator. I just wish I didn't see that. The bulls are super buying and they're not getting any follow through here. Shit. ES, I know you can do it. I believe in you. I believe in your ability to defy physics and logic and push higher.
50.
I believe in you.
I probably should have targeted that first.
So this is what the ES is doing right now. You see all this buying, and we're not getting any follow through. But we are seeing the bears trying to sell it underneath the 21 EMA, and they're not getting follow through. So at least they're not getting follow through right now. So I guess it's kind of up in the air about what the market is going to do. We all know what I wanted to do, but no, I'm gonna keep it because you get tired of that BS, honestly.
Dang. We need that follow through, bulls. That follow through.
No, I'm a wait until I get another payout. I'm gonna wait until I get another payout to get the lifetime license with them. I got this for I paid for 3 months, so I have 3 months to actually let me see how much money I would need. I think I would need $730 every month set aside. So yeah, I've already paid for 3 months, so I don't need to get it right away.
You gonna fill my order? Order
filled.
Order filled. Bless you. As the NQ has blessed me. Let's go. Let's go. NQ for the win. The cream of the crop. Rise to the top. We got another $1,000 day, baby. In the micros.
Congratulations on that.
Well, I haven't secured it yet. We still in this. It ain't all secure just yet. Let's look at black box stocks. Where we? Oh, we're at this level right here. Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. We got a dark pool coming up though. That's where they. Is that where they rejected? Yeah, that's where they rejected that one time. So. But we already know this area. This 270, 280 area. Yeah. Hey, keep pushing. Push it to the limit.
I think we're good. At least on the ES, I think we're good until about like 96, 99. And then we might see a rejection there.
Order filled.
Order filled, baby. All right, last one. Runner. We got a runner on the loose. We got a runner on the loose. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir. And I should have been looking at BBS. I could have got out clean at the bottom of that move. Clean. When I tell you it bounced at this gamma level on the Qs at 708, I could have got out cleanly for max profit, but I wasn't paying attention to it until after.
No, Smith. We have to hold you accountable.
What?
We have to hold you accountable.
Accountable for what?
I said that we're hitting that gamma level. It's your account, but we're hitting that gamma level, so you might want to get out.
Well, I didn't know which.
No, we can't do that.
No, I didn't know which level you were talking about at the time. I wasn't looking. I wasn't paying attention. You did say it. I'll give you that.
I was just saying something you didn't want to hear. It's like, I get out of my short. What? When did you start speaking Spanish?
Close the short.
Okay.
I mean, that was a good short though. Dang it, I was short from what, 309? And I could have got out at 155, 156.
Trump better not say nothing. He better not say, like, dude, Trump, if you say something, I definitely gonna call you a bastard. Like, you better not say nothing.
Well, I guess the
market feels like he's about to say something. Oh shit.
Yeah, I got that.
Dude, I don't know why this voice news, like, it stays disconnecting for no reason.
We just dropped at that dark pool level. Thought we were gonna.
I think we go a little bit higher though. I don't think we drop for real here. I think with the Nasdaq, it at least gets to 280 at least. I mean, what's the point of having that level there?
It's these dark pool institutions, man. Them and they block orders.
Trump, no time schedule for the negotiation with Iran to resume. That's probably what, that's why I went through VWAP. That's why I went like, dude, that's why I was like, dude, why did they do that? Nah, it happened at he said that at 9:41. I'm surprised we didn't get a bigger reaction. That's kind of interesting. Because we didn't see a bigger reaction from that.
It's all the same now. That's why it's like nobody. I'm like, yeah, they care. It reacts sometimes, but now it's like, all right, what's new? We're in peace negotiations. Oh no, psych. No, we're not. The strait's open. No, it's not. We cleared. The blockade is working. We cleared all the mines. Yeah, okay. Why? Where's the traffic then? Why isn't things not back to normal?
Well, we have to say this. The insurance companies aren't insuring those tankers. That's why.
Yeah, because it's risky business. That's smart. I wouldn't insure them. You don't know if Iran gonna send a missile to the cargo ship or whatever. Yeah. We need some guarantees, baby. Oh, don't stop me out. No. Don't do it. We want to rise to the top. All right, whichever way this goes, I'm good. This is I gotta get off here and go actually, but I got a trailing stop and then I got a target at 288. So we'll see. I'm probably gonna get stopped out though, because it is a
Well,
tight stop. It is a tight stop.
well, I mean, if you keep it tight, then yeah, probably. But you know what I'm gonna do? You know what? You know what I'm gonna do, man. I mean, now that we have
Stop filled.
All right, I'm stopped.
now that we have the Nasdaq in structure, now that we have her in structure, these gamma levels does make the Nasdaq more tradable.
Tradable, right? Because we secured the bag today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We secured the bag today. All right, gotta go. I'll talk to you. We'll see y'all in the next. Well, dang, I won't even be able to trade tomorrow either. Yeah. Crap. Yep.
All right, bro.
Yeah, y'all have a good one.
And no problem, Mohammed. You said that they closed everything at 700 and they opened again at 685. Are you talking about shorts? But I swear.